Here she is. It's my last day as Ventrac spokesperson. It's been almost 5 years that I've been taking care of spokesperson duties, so we felt like we had to put a lot of effort into finding a replacement. We needed somebody who really understood the versatility of Ventrac, but also has a good on-screen personality. In fact, we wanted a better personality than me. But we quickly realized that the average person just didn't quite fit the bill. We needed something extra special. And we feel like we found it. We got inspired by the town of Fairhaven, Vermont, and we decided that if they can make a goat the mayor, then we can make a goat our spokesperson. Without further ado, I introduce you to Kelly. Kelly, hey. Do you have anything to say? The only problem the only problem is she needs a little bit of prompting sometimes. Just like me, she needs snacks to keep her motivated. Ooh, oats. Oats for goats. So here are the top reasons why a goat is the perfect spokesperson for Ventrac. The first one is, as you might guess, Kelly doesn't know English very well, so she can't speak it, but it doesn't matter because our equipment speaks for itself. That's right, she agrees. Our second thought when we landed on a goat as being the perfect spokesperson is that it's symbolic. GOAT often stands for the greatest of all time. So the debate is always out there. Is it Michael Jordan? Is it LeBron James? Is it Muhammad Ali? Is it George Foreman? I don't know. We're not here to answer that. But we do know that tractor back there is the greatest tractor of all time. Goats are also symbolic for other reasons. Goats mow mountains. Ventracs mow mountains. Goats are good in the snow. Ventracs are good in the snow. If you ever take a Ventrac through a field and tough cut with it, you can destroy all kinds of brush in a hurry. So can Kelly here. Kelly? That's right. She agrees. Again. A big bonus that makes all the accountants in our company happy is that Kelly is quite a bit cheaper than me. My time on camera is expensive compared to her. And last but not least, we also included several studies where we did focus groups, and goats scored very high. They beat me in every category. So from here on out, it's up to you, Kelly.
Hey, no.